Surfeit is a noun that refers to an excessive amount of something. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to supply or indulge to the point of overabundance or discomfort. Origins: the word comes from the Old French, surfeit, meaning excess, which is derived from the Latin superfacere, to overdo. It entered English in the 14th century, retaining its association with overindulgence. Explanation and usage: surfeit often conveys a sense of overindulgence that leads to negative consequences, such as physical discomfort or dissatisfaction. It is commonly used to describe food, drink, or other material excesses. Example sentences: there was a surfeit of food at the banquet, leaving guests overwhelmed by the variety. After the holidays, he felt a surfeit of rich meals and desserts. The market has been surfeited with cheap imitations, making it hard to find genuine products. Chassis cultural significance: historically, the term is associated with feasts and indulgent lifestyles, reflecting the pitfalls of overabundance. In modern usage, it often serves as a critique of excess, whether in material goods, information, or consumption. Synonyms: excess, more than is needed or desired; overabundance, an overwhelming amount of something; glut, an oversupply of something, especially in markets. Antonyms and scarcity: a lack or insufficiency of something; deficiency, an inadequate amount; moderation, avoiding extremes; or excess. Key takeaway: surfeit captures the idea of too much of a good thing, whether it's food, wealth, or even attention. It serves as a reminder of the importance of balance and restraint. Subscribe.